Hello, hello, it's Susan from Tama Gems. Aren't these beautiful? Today I'm going to show you how to make these. Hey guys, so I haven't made these earrings before, but I had an idea. It just came to me this morning and I thought, okay, I'm going to try this. But I'm going to film it to see how it turns out because I've never done that before. So let's see how these earrings turn out. So I've got 22 gauge wire and I cut, I believe these are 3.5 inches. I have 2 stick pearls. I have these cute little Miyuki bugle number 2 beads that I got from a wonderful vendor at the last jewelry show I was at, and I'll leave her name in the description. I have 2 jump rings. I have some leverbacks, and I have a piece of chain that I cut from another chain, another necklace chain, and put on here. I might need this, I might not. I have 2 pieces of chain that I cut from a long roll of chain, and I got this on Amazon. Okay, so let's get started and figure out how to make these earrings. To make the chains even, you're going to put it on a piece of wire. First cut your first wire, put your second wire on, dangle it down, and cut it at the end, and then you'll have 2 even pieces. So I know what I want to do is put on this bugle bead right there, and then I'm going to slip my wire through here and then put another bugle bead on. So let's do the other side. Okay, so now I know that I want to come up like at either a curve to attach it to up here, and then have the chain come down like this. Do you see what I'm trying to do? So I think I'm going to need to bend it here. Probably the same, bend it there. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. So what I have to do first is center the pearl. So let me see if I can get it centered. That looks pretty good. Then I'm going to take my chain nose pliers and I'm going to bend it up. And I'm going to do the same for the other side. Bend it up. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So far, so good. Now let's do the other side. It's kind of nerve-wracking, right? Because you don't know how it's going to turn out. But you have that vision in your mind. So hopefully it will turn out like the vision in your mind. Turn that side up. And turn that side up. Okay. Then I'm going to take my end of one wire, put it through there, and slip on this end on this side. Put it through there. Oh yeah, that's looking really cute. Okay, it's coming. Okay, let's do this side. Now I'm really excited. Now I just have to figure out how to end it. Okay, So I've got those two done. Okay, so this is the hard part. So how do I get these on this, or potentially on this one? So let's see. I know I have to bend these in, so let's try that first. So we're gonna slowly bend it in. Okay, and then let's bend the other side. Okay, so that's still looking good. Now I think what we have to do is make some loops here at the top. So let me figure out the best way to do this. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna use this one. I think the starting earring will just be too long. Like your earlobe will be up here, and then the dangle will start down here, and it will be practically down at your knees by the time you look at your earring, right? So I'm gonna do away with this and take this one off. Okay, so I'm gonna go with these jump rings instead. These are, I think these are 5mm jump rings, 5 or 6. Okay, so I got my little bend there, and what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn and turn this. Turn them both, and then that will hook onto here, and from here I can hook it onto here. So let's try that. Okay, so I'm gonna make a tiny loop this way, like that, but I gotta keep going because I have to close the loop. A little bit more. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now do the other side. Oops. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna do the other side. And this side. Okay, so I'm going to open up my jump ring by turning it to the left. Then I'm going to put it through and then close it up. Oh, actually, I can just put it right through here. There we go. Close that up. Okay. And now let's do the other side. Turn the jump ring. Put it through one side and then the other side. And then hook it on your earring wire and close it up. Oops. Let's see, I have to move my pliers so I have some room there. Okay, now close it up. Give it a squeeze. Okay, done. Well, here they are. What do you guys think? I'm gonna put them on and show you what they look like. I'll be right back.